Ever pondered how some individuals seem to effortlessly ascend the career ladder, while others struggle to make progress? The secret often lies in one powerful tool: networking. Today, we'll delve into the art and science of networking, offering a roadmap to transform connections into career acceleration. Networking, at its core, is the process of creating and nurturing professional relationships. It is akin to weaving a web of connections that can bolster your career trajectory. Studies consistently show that a substantial proportion of job opportunities come through personal and professional networks, rather than traditional job postings. To start, defining clear networking goals is paramount. Knowing your career objectives will guide your networking efforts, ensuring you connect with the people who can truly help you advance. Next, we move to the art of the elevator pitch. This brief, compelling speech can pique interest and open doors. Tailor your pitch to different audiences, focusing on what makes you unique and what you aspire to achieve. Choosing the right networking events is also crucial. From industry conferences to webinars, each event offers unique opportunities. Select events aligned with your goals and industry, ensuring your time is well spent. Approaching networking events with confidence is key. Overcome shyness by preparing conversation starters and practicing body language that radiates approachability. In today's digital age, building a strong online presence is non-negotiable. Optimize your LinkedIn profile and leverage other professional networking sites to reach a wider audience. Effective networking strategies extend beyond the initial connection. They involve proactive approaches like informational interviews and authentic relationship building. Remember, networking is not merely about taking, but also about giving. After making a connection, prompt and thoughtful follow-up is essential. This helps to nurture relationships over time, keeping you top of mind for potential opportunities. Mentorship and sponsorship also play crucial roles in networking. These relationships can provide guidance, support, and advocacy for your career advancement. Networking etiquette is also important. Avoid common pitfalls such as dominating conversations or failing to listen attentively. A networking toolkit can be a game changer. Include materials like business cards, a well-crafted resume, and a digital portfolio showcasing your work. A diverse network is a strong network. Connecting with individuals from various backgrounds and industries can offer fresh perspectives and opportunities. Overcoming networking challenges such as shyness or being new to networking involves practice and persistence. Networking can be especially beneficial during career transitions. Leverage your connections to explore new opportunities and gain insights into different industries. Finally, measure networking success by tracking career advancements resulting from your efforts. In summary, networking is a powerful tool for career growth. With clear goals, a compelling elevator pitch, and effective strategies, you can transform connections into career acceleration. So, start weaving your web of connections today, and watch as opportunities unfold.